Solmar, we developed a new technology for air and gas emissions removal from the industrial sector, oil and gas, and maritime. The program provided us with a deep understanding of the challenges faced by large industrial companies like EGA and allowed us to tailor our technology to meet their specific needs.
With EGA's experience, scale, and leadership, and the team really there, we believe that they can help us really expand into the global marketplace and really deliver a sustainable and meaningful change to consumers. We make it easy for brands to drive responsible consumption. We also enable consumers to validate the quality and sustainability of each product they purchase.
The program is there to touch the fabric of everyone's problem, challenges, and what could be the solution. FortiGuard is a software company providing an AI platform that serves the market with environmental analytics, focuses only on outdoor temperatures.
The EGA program has been a great program for where we are as a startup. We are not an early stage startup. We have proven our product, it's working at scale, and what we need right now is market access and growth and scalability. And that's exactly what EGA program has been designed and been able to help us with. Is we are trying to capture what has been missing in the value chain when it comes to recycling.
At Circa Biotech, what we do is we use industrial insect farm.
The coaching sessions, they were the most engaging, and I personally learned a lot from it because you were able to see everybody else's pitch, and from there you were able to identify their challenges, their main aims, and how to overcome and apply that on your next pitch. We've identified that one of the main challenges across all different sectors in the workplace is the mental distress that employees face. So we decided to take matters and provide digital solution for mental well-being in the workplace.
What we do actually is to secure this critical infrastructure, considering the three main pillars of cybersecurity: people, policies and the procedures, and technology as well.